Welcome to Latest Laws. The Supreme Court, in a major ruling, has expanded the scope of Pankaj Bansal judgment to the accused arrested under UAPA as it held that the provision regarding the communication of the grounds of arrest to a person arrested contained in Section 43B1 of the UAPA is verbatim the same as that in Section 19(1) of the PMLA. A division judgment of Justice B.R. Gawai and Justice Sandeep Mehta with the observation held the arrest of NewsClick founder as illegal for non-supply of grounds of arrest to his counsel. The court observed that any person arrested for allegations for commission of offences under the provisions of UAPA, or for that matter any other offences, has a fundamental and statutory right to be informed about the grounds of arrest in writing, and a copy of such written grounds of arrest have to be furnished to the arrested person as a matter of course and without exception at the earliest. Any other interpretation would be tantamount to diluting the sanctity of the fundamental right guaranteed under Article 22(1) of the Constitution of India expressed. In another news, the Supreme Court has issued a notice to the Union government on a petition challenging a Telangana High Court verdict on imposing the Goods and Services Tax (GST) on rights under the Joint Development Agreement (JDA) in the real estate sector. Telangana High Court had held that the JDA is different from an agreement for the sale of land and therefore the rights under this should be taxed. In the interim, the GST will continue to be applicable on the rights.